It's really emotional to see everyone.
It kind of makes me feel proud to have been part of it.
Yeah, because we made such good friends. Like, we went in the same year and we're such good friends.
Like, she's literally like a big sister to me.
Yeah.
I'm going to study engineering at university, and I think so obviously Thinktank is very orientated around engineering, so I found that really inspiring. It was one of the things, so things like the Matthew Bolton, James Watt exhibits actually really inspired me to do engineering.
So when I left Thinktank, I started a job as a nursing assistant at Warwick Hospital, and now I'm doing my nursing degree. So I'm in my second year, I'm about to finish next year. What are you doing?
Yeah, since I left Thinktank, I got a job as a junior business analyst for a national charity. So I was working there and I worked my way up, and I was business analyst for the company, looking at their business processes, looking at how they use the systems.
I think the best thing about here as well was the support network we had from the managers.
Yeah.
I'm not going to lie, when I left this place, I knew I already had such great managers, but when I went out to the other world of working, I'm never going to find managers like Lauren, Andrew or Lisa ever again.
Never, no.
Good luck with that.
I know, thank you. I'm going to need it, honestly.
And it feels amazing to know that we were part of something that started off quite long ago, and it's still going, and it's just nice to see that it's so successful, and it has had like a good part of, you know, maturing me and helping me take the career path that I've chosen.
I always say these are the best people I've ever worked with in my life. Everybody's just legendary.
Yeah.
It's 10 years ago, and just looking back, I had such great 5 years, and it's so many great people, and to be honest, Thinktank made me who I am today.